That's how we get water from our neighbors. So that's a friend of mine helping and with the donkey driver. You know, it becomes late. So if you want to have enough water in the garden before it get dark, so we must all do it together. So that's what we are doing. We are filling the liters. I don't know the gallons. Each gallon is 20 liter. So you know, okay. There is my wheelbarrow standing ready to go. We have to go that way, then we go right to our garden.